Exploring Denmark 2022.
Oh, dito pala may picture ka na. Oh, mamaya halika na. Uwi na mo. Ayun na, maganda na may Tibuli entrance. Sorry. Sorry.
Ito yung hinahanap pa lang po namin ang aming apartment, and at the same time, tinitignan na namin ang aming mga restaurant na pwedeng kainan.
Mukhang masarap ah.
This the day we explore the Tibuli at the same time, alam niyo, time for the kids and the youngsters to enjoy all the rides and watch all the activities around here at the Tibuli. What's happening here? Walking around to find all the suitable rides for the boy and these two youngster. Siyempre, makikibata na rin ang mga mamshi. O, diba? Dito na kami eh. Let's enjoy the day. And explore more, of course. Wanderlust Tibuli with Yanget.
Ano na yung time ah? Ano yung time?
Ito yung nagpaplano sila kung saan uunahin ang kanilang mga rides. We also have to look and see whether all the rides is suitable for the kids, para naman sa ganon, makasama namin siya, diba? Hindi kami lang mag-enjoy. So, we observe and watch first before we going to sit on ride. Next, we're going to accompany the two youngsters to the ride.
Mamaya ka mag-inhale ha? Namaste, inte andas, nerdan. Holiday, pasiktig. Lakas na ng loob ng anak mo eh, no?
Ayan, nakasakay na sila. And we just watching here. Habang nasa taas sila. Ito, parang balak namin sumakay pero hindi na lang kasi parang intensive siya. Baka makalugang aming mga utak. Kasi sila mamili din, gusto sana yan. Kaso, it's a long queue. Kaya ayun, napagod sila at lumipat sa iba. And this the ride is actually suitable with family kids.